Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Easily Speak. I'm Sophie. I'm really happy you're here today. This channel is for simple, real English you can use every day. Take a deep breath, relax, and learn with us.
Hi, Sophie. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here again. I'm very excited to practice English with you today. Thank you for spending your time with us.
It's wonderful to have you back, Henry. And to all our amazing listeners, thank you so much for tuning in today. We really appreciate you being here. You're doing something great for yourself by learning English.
Yes, thank you for joining us. We're really happy you're here. Remember, you don't need perfect English. Just listen, relax, and learn step by step.
Today, we have a very simple and very useful topic, especially for beginners. Don't worry if English feels difficult sometimes. This lesson is easy and friendly, and we will go slowly together.
That's right, Sophie. Today we're going to talk about our day. We'll use simple words and short sentences. You can listen and repeat if you like.
We'll talk about the things we do every day, like waking up, eating, working, and resting. These are things we all do, so the English will feel natural.
This is a great way to learn basic verbs and easy vocabulary. These words are very common in daily life. You can use them when you talk about yourself.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please remember to subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends, and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us continue making lessons for you.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow, and it helps more learners find us. So thank you for your support. We truly appreciate it.
We also love hearing from you. Your comments make us very happy. They help us know what you want to learn next.
Yes, please feel free to leave a comment. You can tell us about your day or something new you are learning in English. We read your comments carefully.
Okay, Henry, are you ready to talk about what we do during the day? Let's start slowly and make it easy for everyone.
Absolutely, Sophie. I'm ready. Let's begin with the morning and enjoy learning together.
Okay, Henry, let's start with the morning. Morning is the first part of the day. What time do you usually wake up on a normal work day?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. At first, I feel sleepy and slow, but after a few minutes, I feel better. Waking up early is not easy for me.
I understand that feeling very well. I usually wake up at 7:30. When I wake up, I stay in bed for a few minutes. I like to start my day slowly.
Yes, me too. Sometimes I look at my phone for a short time. I check the time and my messages, then I know it's time to get up.
After that, I get out of bed. Get out of bed means you stand up and leave your bed. Sometimes it's hard because the bed is warm, but I try my best.
After I get out of bed, I go to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth carefully. Then I wash my face with water. This helps me feel fresh and awake.
After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. The kitchen is where I make breakfast. I like simple food in the morning. A simple breakfast helps me feel good.
The kitchen is my favorite place too because I make coffee there. I really enjoy the smell of coffee in the morning. It helps my brain wake up.
My breakfast is very easy. I usually eat toast and eggs. Sometimes I eat a banana. I don't like heavy food in the morning.
I usually eat cereal or fruit. Sometimes I eat breakfast at home. Sometimes I eat breakfast at work. It depends on my day.
After breakfast, I get dressed. Get dressed means you put on your clothes. I choose my clothes slowly. Sometimes it takes a long time.
I choose my clothes very fast, usually jeans and a t-shirt. I don't think too much about it. Simple clothes make life easier.
Then I put on my shoes and take my bag. I check my keys and phone. After that, I leave the house. My day really starts then.
Leave the house means you go outside. I usually leave the house around 8 o'clock. The morning air feels nice. It helps me feel ready for the day.
After I leave the house, I go to work. I work in an office with other people. At work, I sit at my desk. I turn on my computer and start my tasks.
I work in an office too, but sometimes I work from home. When I work, I answer emails and write messages. I try to stay focused. I also take short breaks to rest my eyes.
During the day, I talk with my coworkers. We ask questions and help each other. Sometimes we have meetings. Meetings are times when we talk about work together.
Some meetings are short and helpful. Some meetings are long and a little boring. But meetings are part of work life. I always try to listen carefully.
Around 12 or 1 o'clock, I have lunch. Lunch is an important break for me. I usually eat something light. Lunch gives me energy for the afternoon.
I usually eat lunch around 1 o'clock. I like sandwiches, soup, or rice. Sometimes I eat alone. Sometimes I eat with coworkers and talk.
When I eat lunch with others, we talk about many things. We talk about work and life. It's a nice time to relax. After lunch, I feel calm and ready again.
After lunch, I sometimes feel sleepy. That afternoon feeling is very common. I drink water and stand up for a minute. Then I go back to work.
When work is finished, I go home. Going home feels very good. I feel relaxed when I open my door. Work time is over and personal time begins.
After work, I also go home or stop somewhere. Sometimes I go to the store. Sometimes I just go straight home. I like quiet time after a long day.
When I get home, I take off my shoes. I change into comfortable clothes. This helps my body relax. I feel happy to be home.
I usually sit down and rest for a few minutes. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just stay quiet. This helps me forget about work.
In the evening, I cook dinner. I like simple food that is easy to make. Sometimes I cook rice or pasta. Cooking helps me relax.
I also cook dinner in the evening. I don't cook fancy food. Simple meals are fine for me. I enjoy eating and resting after.
After dinner, I wash the dishes. I don't love washing dishes, but it's part of daily life. Then I feel good when the kitchen is clean.
After dinner, I like to talk to family or friends. Sometimes I call someone on the phone. Talking makes me feel connected. It's a nice way to end the day.
Before bed, I start my night routine. I brush my teeth and wash my face again. I like feeling clean before sleep. It helps me relax.
I also brush my teeth before bed. Then I turn off the lights. I check my phone one last time. After that, I put it away.
I usually go to bed around 11:30. Sometimes I fall asleep quickly. Sometimes I think a lot. But sleep is important for a good day.
I go to bed around 10:30 or 11. I try to sleep early. Good sleep helps me feel better tomorrow. Sleep is very important.
Today we talked about daily routine. These are things everyone does every day. The words are simple, but they help you speak about your life.
You don't need long sentences. Simple English is good English. Practice a little every day. You are improving step by step.
Now we have a question for you. What do you do after work? You can say it out loud. Or write it in the comments.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We're really happy you're here. Keep practicing and stay confident. See you next time. Bye, everyone.